It's Miracle Treat Day here at the Fall River Dairy Queen. Let's do this!
I just dust them off. I don't want to clean it. Okay, and then, so it's always...
There you go, Kyle.
The vanilla blizzard cakes, vanilla on the side, vanilla ice, chocolate on the side, chocolate. Okay? So I just do a simple rosette one.
Washing my hands, which everyone should do.
This is gonna be easy.
Okay. Dump her in. Just grab it. There you go. Perfect. You're gonna start going around and around.
Pedal my hand.
Oh. It's off my. Oh, hold on. There you go. Okay. Hold on to it. Okay, around and around, and then punch it up and down. Punch it up and down. Oh.
Take off your thumb outside.
Oh. Okay. Stop. 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 Okay. Let's try it again.
Oh my God.
Let's try it again. Hold on.
Sorry, Jackie.
I gave you a hard one. Okay, now go clockwise and counterclockwise. Okay. There you go. There you go. Go deliver it.
Get a picture. I went around in order.
Exactly. And then we'll see how Pat does with blending this one.
It's his trainee for a reason.
Wow!
Oh, that's right.
This is so good.
Yeah. Yeah.
You did it.
We're in a rhythm now.
So I just like...
Okay.
Perfect. There you go.
Yes, sir.
We're making happy today
Yes.
at Dairy Queen.
Yes.
Kitty's helping me a lot. Making blizzards is a lot of work, but it's for a great cause, the IWK. See you later.